Six things 90% of you don't know you can do in Instagram. Number 1. Turning on data saver in Instagram. Now to turn on data saver, go to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now go to settings, account, mobile data use, and now simply turn on the toggle next to data saver option. So when the data saver option is turned on, videos won't load in advance and only load and start to play when you tap on them. Number 2. How to read people's DMs without them knowing. To do so, just go on the explore page, which is the magnifying glass button. And now type in the username of the person whose DMs you want to read without him or her knowing. Now tap on the search result. And now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on restrict. Now doing this will also make sure that only the restricted account and you see their comments on your posts. Plus they won't see when you are online. Now to read the DMs secretly, go to your DMs and search that person's account by typing his or her username in the search bar. And now tap on the search result and also feel free to read every messages because he or she on the other end won't get the seen mark, which in turn won't let them know when you read their messages. Now if you wish to unrestrict that account, don't right away do it from here, cause this will mark the latest message as seen and you will fail your mission of reading the DMs secretly. So to restrict the account which you previously restricted, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your profile. Now go to settings, privacy, restricted accounts, and now you can tap on unrestrict button to make stuff normal again. Number 3. Checking the emails from Instagram without leaving the app. Now to check emails sent to you by Instagram, tap on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now go to settings, security, and tap on emails from Instagram. Now you can see the list of emails Instagram has sent you about security and login in the last 14 days. You can also use it to verify which emails are real and which are fake. Number 4. Checking the exact date and time when you joined Instagram. To do so, just go to the settings by tapping the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on security, access data, and at the top just below the account info heading, you will see the exact date and time when you joined Instagram. You can also explore other interesting things like account privacy changes, password changes, former email addresses, phone numbers, usernames, full names, bio texts, links in bios, etc. and much more. Number 5. Get a copy of data which you have shared on Instagram. Again go to the settings, tap on security, download data, and enter your email address that you prefer for receiving the data, and tap on the blue button which says request download. It may take up to 48 hours to collect and send the data to your email. This is the best way of collecting your precious data if you choose to delete your account. Number 6. Enabling or disabling autosave posts and videos to gallery. To do so, go to the settings of your account and tap on account, original posts, And here you can either disable, or if disabled, enable the toggles to save photos or videos to the gallery of your smartphone. So these were the 6 things 90% of you didn't know you could do in Instagram. Hope you found this video useful. You're watching Android Area. See you in the next one.